Morning, feeling a bit more cheerful today, a bit less gloomy. I had a cozy night. There's a beautiful view here. There was a lot of creatures splashing around in the river last night. I don't know who they were. Today I am going east still a little bit, not too far, and then I'm going to turn around and go west. So I've got about 150 kilometers to a town in Hungary, and then I'll head north to Slovakia and then start making my way home. Okay, I'm in a nice mood. It's beautiful weather. I don't have a proper job. And it's gorgeous here, and I'm happy to be cycling. For now. I can make 50 forint a bottle here. They've even left me a plastic bag to do so. 1,000. That's £2 and a bit. Wow, so beautiful. Breakfast part 2.
Szállasabb jelleg, de ugyanúgy mind a kettő ilyen delikát sajtnak.
So I scored 2 tomatoes, 2 bananas, some cheese, a yogurt and a loaf of bread for free, but I can't recycle my own wine bottle here because it has a different logo, so I think I have to take that back to Spa, which is a bit annoying, but otherwise free groceries. Good bit of faffing around this morning, but I got my refund. I got some camping gas from Decathlon here. I've uploaded my vlog, so now I just need to ride 70 or so kilometres. Oh, I don't speak Hungarian. Thank you so much. Thank you, Köszönöm. The GPX file I downloaded has this as part of the Eurovelo network, but it's obviously one of the more notional parts. So I'm glad I didn't go out of my way earlier today to join this Eurovelo sooner. Just stopped for a bit of lunch, but there is ladybirds swarming. I don't know if you can see them in the air. They're landing on my food, on my face. Okay, it's ladybird season. Can you see them swarming? Oh, one just flew into my ear. I've got at least 4 on me right now. Some of them are black with red dots. Most of them are orange with black dots. There's a few that are red with black dots. Either way, there's loads of them. Okay. Ah, Cassinum! 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 Whew, I was lucky. I've just checked the map. That would have been a bonus 20 kilometres around if they hadn't helped me and let me through. So that's a big piece of luck. Time to find a camp. It's getting late, but the wind is on my side at least. Come down a track, but it's pretty sandy. Unfortunately for me, the forest is fenced off, but there's nobody on this track, so I'm going to go up into this field. Just in time. I don't love this campsite. It's not really very well hidden until it gets dark, of course, but the sunset is pretty awesome. Cheers.